This is Arrivio, an AI-powered decision intelligence platform. This video demonstrates the OAuth authorization flow and explains how Arrivio uses sensitive Google API scopes. This is our website and it shows all the required information for the users. And it also includes the privacy policy in terms of service links, both on the menu and on the footer as well. We are going to move to credentials. So here we can see that this is a web-based application. We see the name, client ID, authorized redirect URIs on this page. Next is the branding, which includes the app name, support email, application homepage, the links for privacy policy and terms of use, authorized domain, and developer contact information. Well, and in here we show the scopes that we are going to use. Basically, the first one is drive read only, where iReview uses this scope to let users browse and connect files from Google Drive as data sources. The file types can include PDF, CSV, plain text, Excel files, Word documents, RTF, ODT, Markdown, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides, PNG, JPEG, WebP, HEIC, and HEIF. The scope is read-only. iReview does not write, modify, move, delete, or share user files. The justification is uh, here. And the second one is spreadsheet read-only, which is um, iReview uses this scope to read Google Sheets with higher fidelity than Drive export alone. That preserves cell references, name range, and sheet structure for financial modeling and scenario simulation. This scope is also read-only. iReview does not write data back to sheets, and the justification is available here. Now let's move to the platform itself. Here we're going to log in. Well, the login is successful. Now we are going to integrate our Google account, Google Drive. So here we have the relevant email address. And we are going to provide the permissions. So integration has been completed. Now we are going to use uh, the files where this is where drive read only is used. iReview reads the selected drive file so the users can use it as an analysis source. The app only reads the file content needed for the current workflow and it does not edit the file or change its location or sharing settings. Well, we have now connected our uh, files. And now we can create a new decision. So the connected data is now used inside iReview to generate the analysis output. This closes the loop from OAuth scope request. Uh, to data read the feature that user sees on screen. So yes, this is now the created decision. Decision tree, and now we can see the scenario simulation where it has generated the scenarios uh, from the question that we have asked. Uh, well, based on the files that we have integrated. So that's actually completing the our video. We'll also now go to linked devices to check. We can say that it's connected to Arrivio AI, and now users can also delete from here their access. Let's do it, and it shows you are no longer using Arrivio AI with your Google account. So basically, this concludes the video and the demonstration. Thank you.